Welcome back, everybody. Hope you're having a great day today. If you saw my short the other day where we pulled that 31-foot piece of maple out of the swamp, these are the 3 logs. We're going to mill these up and hopefully get some good spalted ambrosia in there. We can tell the ambrosia beetle's in there by the outside of the log. But this tree fell down a few years ago over here in the swamp, and we really weren't able to get it out until just now. We had a good dry spell here back in the fall, and it allowed Jason to get in here and rework a lot of this swamp area and put this little pond in and put some grass out there to where it looks really good, trying to lure the ducks in. But we were able to get this tree out, so we got in there and cut it out the other day. A big maple tree fell down across the creek, so yeah, that's what the video is going to be today. So just stand by, and we're going to show you milling it and then show you what's inside of it, because it's going to be a surprise to you just like it is to us. But I appreciate you tuning in, and let's get the milling. All right, we got the butt log up on the mill. This is the top end of that. It's about 22 by 22. It's got a lot of activity going on. There's a small hole up here. There's a huge hole right here that goes deep down into it. Not sure what's going to happen with this thing, but I think we can get some good material out of it. Maybe some 4 to 6 foot length stuff, but this is the other end, and it's roughly 28. This crack is probably from where the tree fell originally. It's got a little punkiness, little soft stuff in it, but this is good wood around here, so we're basically just going to take a slice off the top and just start working down into it to see what it looks like. Hey, we may not get anything out of it, but might get some good stuff. I believe there will be some 4 to 6 foot length material in there that we can use. Hopefully it's got some good ambrosia beetle activity in it. So hey, appreciate you guys watching. Let's get to cutting this thing. Folks, what you're going to see here is the ambrosia beetle and what it's done. And you notice some chatter in the blade we're sawing, but what I'm about to show you right here looks extremely chattery, but this is actually smooth, and this is compression in the wood. Compression in the wood caused that. going around it.
Yeah.
But it's soft right there a little bit.
Bunch of red in there right here.
Yeah. I was watching the sawdust come out. Man, like one spot, it was like chocolate colored all the way down here, and then the next one was white. You know, light colored, like that stuff. But still, I mean, yeah, now back into the hole. What do you think? Dang, spider. Like a family.
Yeah, well, you killed the daddy earlier.
Yeah. That's got red in it. Cool.
I mean, it's got.
Here, let's clean that while it's sitting there. Clean that end off and finish the video.
We'll do that. Get these stacked. We'll take another ones, probably just run through them.
Yeah. Slab them up or something.
I'm gonna run this thing back down this one time, because this end was sagging. This end's like 1.25 inches.
All right, folks, we got that main base log finished up. Wasn't quite as good as we wanted, but we still got some really good wood out of it. The bottom 6 feet, 6 to 7 feet is really good, mostly solid. We were hoping for some good character around these knots and holes, but it just had too much rod in it. But this stuff is really cool. This is the Ambrosia beetle doing this. There's the beetle holes right there. But really good color, some spalting in it. Be good for some desktops or some coffee tables maybe, or charcuterie boards. But yeah, it turned out good. I'm pleased with it. We got 2 more, the middle log and the top log to go. Both those are 10 feet long. But anyway, I appreciate you watching. Hope you come back and visit us soon. Thanks.